Good day friends, and welcome to Chat from the Engineering Desk. Gonna do another Wokwi video today. So what we have here is joystick Etch A Sketch, and I'm gonna play with that. So what you got is a Max 7219 driving 16 by 8 LEDs in a matrix. Then you got a joystick over here which has got two analog values going to the Arduino Uno, as well as the input to clear the screen. In other words, when you push on the top of the button. So let's start it up and play with it. As you can see, that first LED has become lit. So when I click left, you can see the LED is moving. Right, up, and if I hold it down, it scrolls like so. Pushing the top of the button should clear our screen. Yeah, like so. There we go. Let's have a look at the code. So let's stop our simulation. We're going to use the library MD Max 72XX, which in this case is the 19.h. It's going to be two devices because you got it's effectively two 8x8 matrices joined together and daisy chained. So electrically you got power, you got ground, you got 5 volts connected to the display and your joystick. You got a data, a clock pin, and a clear signal, control signal going to the Max 7219. So there's 5 connections. Then you got two analogs coming from the joystick, which is analog 0 and analog 1. So those are your pin definitions up there. So you've got 10, 11 and 13 going to your max. There's your digital pin, then your analogs. Select pin is 2. Reset pin, that's when you push on the hat of the joystick, it sets that input over there. So there's your declaration for your max devices. You got two variables, x and y, which are integers. You call your library, you tell it that it's a Max 7219 intensity, max intensity, and you tell it that there's 2, and you clear. Pin mode, vertical pin and horizontal pin is an input. The select pin is internal pull up, so that joystick over there connects it to 0 volt when you push it, so it's high. So in other words, when you want to clear, it looks for it going low. So what the loop does is it reads the two analog inputs, horizontal pin and vertical pin. The vertical is bigger than is less than 300, so you got a window between 300 and 700 you do nothing. But if you go outside those values, you either count up on your X, on your Y, or count down on your Y, and you keep it within boundaries of either your max Y, which would be 8, or your minimum Y, which would be 0. And then you do the same for your horizontal, which will be a maximum of 16 across, minimum of 0, and so on. That you then send to the max 7219. You tell it the X and Y coordinates, you set it to true, you update which does the right, and you wait 100 milliseconds, which is why when you hold the joystick down you get a scroll. And that's the code. It's very simple. Let's play with it again before we wrap up this video. Start our simulation. So there we go, down, across, down, across again, up, across, and let's clear the screen by holding that button down. And that's that, the long and the short of it. That was a quick fun one. The Wokwis are very nice. Wokwi is an excellent platform. You don't need any hardware, you can build stuff, you can play, and it's become quite advanced these days. There's quite a lot you can do. So thanks for joining me here for this video. Thanks for being here till the end. Thanks for supporting the channel. Have a wonderful day further, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll see you here for more. Take care. Cheers.